Every time we survey on how people want to make money on YouTube, most of the public respond without showing a face is that craving too, or maybe you are further involved in instant yet passive income, right? Okay, what if we bring these two together? We have got you covered. Hey guys, welcome back to Cash Cow Creators, where you learn top-notch and easiest strategies to go viral and earn money online. Today, we're going to unfold another super exciting and easiest way to make money online without showing your face. Literally. In fact, you don't need to invest your time, money, and effort. Hold on a moment. As you all know, we are on our way to introduce another giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really want to hear from you guys. What do you think? What should be the next giveaway? Let us know through your comments so we can bring it to you guys. Should it be any offer, discount, or some free treasure money making tips? The more you comment, the earlier we can bring it. Anyhow, let's get straight into the video. Step 1. Alright, so I'm gonna search for some niche on YouTube, for example, health. Okay, as you can see, what people are searching for related to health, like health tips, health and fitness, healthcare, and a lot more. Let's change a bit to health and fitness. Okay, this video is from health and fitness. It is millions of views, but he's showing his face. So yeah, scroll down a bit, but you can see hundreds and thousands of views. Oh, we got it. This video. This is what really happens as you start exercising. Is totally animated, and can you see the more than 4 million views? It means you're good to go making a channel in this niche. Well, here you can see people are working in both ways. Some of them are showing their face, and some have created faceless channels. Still got millions of views on their videos. So if you don't feel like creating your products, then investing in the promotion, selling, dispatching, and bearing all the headache, then use this niche to get a passive income. That's gonna thicken your wallet. One more thing, you can create videos on anything related to health. That's the main niche. So if you go further and niche down, you have hundreds of options. Now let's start learning how to work on it and how to create videos without showing your face. Step number 2. How to make a faceless video. Now let's come to the web video. Let me introduce what it is all about. It is the best video maker that's easy to use and creates and edit videos for your emails, social media, website, blogging, and much more. Once you are on this amazing tool, now sign up there. Here you have multiple options, so you can sign up with Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Apple. If you don't want to do so, then simply sign up with your email. When you reach out to the main page, check out these different templates. There are so many in number and completely free. As we are up to upload videos on YouTube, we are gonna select this option, templates, and then YouTube video. Now look at these cool templates. They are all horizontal and exactly the same as on YouTube. Check out this summer sale short video clip and this healthcare media platform promotion. Now, by keeping in mind our niche, we are gonna type in the search bar health. Alright, there are many options. I think this one, 5 steps to mental well-being, is better. Choose horizontal option and simply click on edit. One more thing. You have to be very selective and very careful about the videos you're gonna select to edit, because any random video or content can drop the number of your views. The videos you're gonna select should be relevant to your niche. I'm gonna select this one. You can choose what you feel more comfortable with. Within a few seconds, you'll be directed to this kind of page where we're gonna edit our templates. Now, Right, according to your needs, we are gonna change it to be a health-related video. You might have noticed that it's a Getty image, so we have to replace the image first. Simply do it by clicking on the replace option and find some suitable pictures related to health, as I am gonna add this one. And now you have to add text, as I'm gonna write 5 steps to lose weight fast without sacrificing your favorite foods, and changing its fonts, making it a little bit smaller so that it will look good. Now, add another suitable image by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom. Here, click on it and click Stock Library. There are many categories, so for finding an appropriate image, type something like extra fat men, and here I'm gonna take this image as I think it would be perfect to describe weight loss, a man with an extra fat belly. Here type some yes question, meaning that your question should be so compelling people would say yes man. I was in search of that, so here's my question. So you want to lose weight to feel more confident? Likewise, you have to take different images, like I'm taking this one and add some text there too. Here I'm gonna say so you can get more energy to spend time with your family. Okay, now add more images and tell something so they can be pleased and hopeful, like you can do this without sacrificing your favorite food. Another image with the text, without going to gym 7 times a week. Keep on adding images and text till the end portion of the video. Make sure to add some value, like telling them they don't have to pay heavy money, invest time, put in the effort. That's how human psychology works. People will know whatever you will offer wouldn't be expensive enough, as they don't have to do anything in return. After you have divided the video into portions, like the problem, then benefits, then without portion, and finally giving them a simple solution, meaning end up with a call to action. This way you can increase the watch time also. That's truly important. When you have given them so much value in the video, they will surely want to see what you're gonna suggest. So, in the last step, type how to make the process 2x faster with a supplement proven to expedite the process, and then click on the link in the description below. Now, click on publish and you can see your video right here, and click on render. Before moving into the next step, comment down below and give the answer to this question so we can make a video only for you. How do you want to make money online? Your answer should be like, I want to make money online. And your answer can be such as through clickbank without showing your face or any other strategy. We guys will surely make a video on it and let you know the easiest method to earn money as you want. Let's move further. Step number 3. Alright, in order to compel viewers to click on your video, you have to create an attractive thumbnail. An attractive and exact thumbnail explaining your entire video through just a picture can literally increase your views, which is typically called CTR. I'll show you how to make a handsome amount of money in a bit, but that, stick to the end of the video. In order to make a thumbnail, you can go to canva.com. That's super easy to use even as a beginner, and take free photos from pixels.com. I'm gonna use both. Let's open pixels.com first, and if you're on the fence and couldn't make a description what type of thumbnail you should select, then prefer going to YouTube and checking out other people's thumbnails. For example, type how to lose weight fast. Here you can see different thumbnails, and don't forget to check out their views also. All are simple thumbnail, which means it's not that hard to do so. I find this one attractive, a journey from fat to fit. Now, go back to pixels.com and search for the overweight women. Pick what you feel is more attractive and suitable, then search for fit women. Download the images. Now, come to the channel.On where you're gonna make a little bit of an annotation. Here, you don't have to use the face in both the pictures, only the body. Attach both the photos, something like making a collage. Highlight the background if you want to do so. Alright, add some text on it, meaning your title. So I'm gonna write 5 steps to lose weight fast. So our thumbnail is ready. Simply download it by clicking on the download button. Step number 4. Time to multiply your revenue. Simply upload the thumbnail right from here, and what about the description? What are you gonna tell them here? Well, go to Digistore24 and sign up here for free. For it, you have to select only affiliate and provide the rest of the details. Now, the reason why we choose Digistore24 is here we got up to 90% commissions. Yes, you can see this mind-blowing offer nowhere. Once you're on the dashboard like this, click on the marketplace on the top right and then click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. On the left side, there are all the categories of the product. You have to choose yours. As our niche is about health, so we are gonna select fitness and health. Now, here are all the products that you can easily promote, but make sure to choose the one that is more commission. There are 62 results, meaning that 62 products that are available related to health and fitness. Here, check out the first one. It's Ultimate Keto Meal Plan and it has 85% commission. OMG, that's hilarious. Alright, coming to the second page, here too are lots of commission offers, like a lot. I'm gonna select this one, Lean Belly 3 eggs. This product is selling at $83 and you can get a 64% commission. I'm gonna click on the affiliate support page at the bottom of the product just to show you guys an example. You can find the product that more suits your offer. So you will reach this page. Here they have explained the process and all details about the product. In the end, click here, get started now. You have to provide your email and then go to your Gmail to check the mailbox. Here they provide the 2 types of link, one for ClickBank and the other for Digistore24. Click on any of the links by keeping in mind what method you're gonna choose. Okay, so here we have to click on affiliate link here and then provide your Digistore24 ID. Skip the second option, that's not necessary. Now, select your landing page and click here, direct to cart, so your audience will be directly sent towards the cart when they click on the link. Here's your link, copy it and you can shorten it by using bitly.com. Step number 5. Fill out the description box. Paste the link in the description box and also make sure to copy the headline of your product's sale page. That's good if you do so, just to paste it in description. Simply paste that heading or rewrite something like that right before your link. Right, click here and add some arrows or any element. Upload it. You have done a great job for real. Upload it and you have done a great job for real. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, as this strategy is still new and super easy, so make sure to share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.